So, andito kami kay Uncle Sam. So, let's go and check it out.
Let's go. Come. Are you coming? Okay, come. Here she.
Magandang umaga po. How are you? Tara, samahan nyo kami ni Pulangka. We're gonna do another shopping, pamalengke, for Another Balikbayan Box. So, andito kami kay Uncle Sam. So, let's go and check it out and see what they got and see what we can find. Not bad, huh? I got it down to half. Alright, let's keep going.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now?
Nilagyan ko ng tape sa gilid dito. Yan yung may opening. And then, a little bit here dito. Just a little support. So hopefully that will help.
Yay! New box! Yay! That means we have to send another one, Polanca?
Here, put the basura.
Basura. Okay.
There's more.
Oh, okay. Give it to me. You see, I got it ready for you.
Good girl.
I know. Just remember, it was
you
like...
still missed two.
Oh, did I?
Everybody does. Nobody reads the phone entirely.
Who does nowadays, you know? Ay, nako. Anyways. So, 50 days ulit. The last time that we did, last March, 51 days.
There you go.
Yeah.
See, that's less than 60. That's less than 2 months.
Yeah, I know.
Albay.
Daraga. Did I tape it good? Oh,
Albay, that's another Bicol.
yes,
right?
it is Bicol, no?
Bicol region.
Bicol region. I should work for you because you're so busy. This is for me. Okay, cool. Ay, naku po.
Ikaw, ha?
Ay,
Ikaw, ha?
naku. Ang gulo mo kasi. Oh.
Ay, ko.
Ay, naku. Hindi siya pulutan. Pulangka, isip pulutan ikaw. You're not pulutan, Pulangka. Yes.
You making a powder red, ano?
Ew.
Bakit?
Ay, naku.
You don't like the asshole?
No. Very bad.
Bakit?
You know, that's the bottom. That's the bottom. Yeah, hold on, sweetie. Hold on.
Hold on, pulutan.
Yeah, hold on. Yes, antay muna. No, we need to move the package. Do you want to help with the package? Yes.
Put it in the package. How can you get this all in this?
Say goodbye. I'll see you box in under 60.
Under 60? Are you gonna be there?
Under 60 days.
Are you gonna be there?
I hope so.
Huh?
I hope so.
Talaga?
Yes, talaga.
Oh my goodness, look at you. You're having all kinds of funds. Pulutan.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, good luck. Do I get another box? Hindi.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Ingat, 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 ingat. Ay, naipit ka? Almost, sweetie.
Pulutans! Yeah, see, you wanna be, huh?
You're so... Okay.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
You got my number, my card, just in case, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming all the way.
Me too.
All right. How come it's not red today?
I always use, this is my van.
Oh, I see. Folks, I'll see you later.
Okay.
Salamat.
Okay, darling.